Technology is obtained by trust. Success is gained by working. Inanlar started to manufacture productions in the year 1968 with the principles of quality and customer satisfaction. The company started to manufacture folding press machine and guillotine shears in 1974. Inanlar continuously improved and developed with the sense of working inconsistent and without giving any concession. As it was a small productive company at the beginning, with its improvement and development, Inanlar became a great anonymous company in 1980. With its trademark, quality and aesthetic perception, Inanlar became a great preferred trademark in the subject of sheet processing lattice today. Inanlar